Good morning, Pumas. I just saw Pumas pillow. Remembered Hillary wants to buy one for her cats. I must go back online, Lazada. Wow, wow, wow. I must see what are the different colors there are available. And then what's time now? 9:23. Oh my god. About 10:20, 10:25 like that we'll leave. We'll go to the Sungai Dua clinic. Get my appointments changed. Because they gave me blood test 20th, then 3rd of January, see the doctor. I have to get those two changed. What else, huh? Oh, and then I must check the vaccine requirements for India. Whether you need 4 shots. In some countries you need 4 shots. I need to do all that. Yeah. I watched a video earlier. Actions. Perfect. Busker was performing. And then when the crowd joined in, I cried. It was just so beautiful. And then I quickly watched 15 worst scammers or something like that. So, and then when I watched the video again, the busker, the crowd, and I cried again. And then when I watched some Karen videos, so, I cry easily. I watch commercials and cry. Okay, go and finish my coffee. Finish my coffee. She's playing. She's playing. That's what kittens do. I love you. Hope it doesn't rain. I don't want to leave too early. You got the timing. I use the bike. So about 10:15, 10:20 will be just nice. Oh my god. Okay, now I must be careful. She comes up here, I must be careful. Okay, I stop first, huh?